Sparks, what's up? And hello to my new viewers. My name is Montina Young Portis, and my mission with this channel is to inspire, educate, and share information that will help you thrive in life and thrive in business. If that sounds good to you, subscribe. All right, so today let's talk about major credit card issuers. Okay, so I was actually talking about this. I'm actually looking at my computer real quick. With my banker at my new bank, which is, well, I bank with multiple banks, but one of the newest banks, Woodforest National Bank, and we were talking about major credit card lenders, and I was telling him that you really need to know which credit cards are associated with which banks, because you tend to fall into that family, and if they know they can trust you with one of the cards, you can get more of the cards. And so I'm going to leave a link below to talk about Synchrony bank store cards. There is a whole link that they have 115 bank credit cards, and so some of those include BP Visa, they include Chevron and Texaco. I'm looking here at Gap, Old Navy, Nissan, Walmart, and so it's a lot of, like, to me it looks like it's just a lot of regular store cards. And I don't think JCPenney, I have one with JCPenney. But when you go with one, you can kind of look at that family and say, okay, if I at least probably have one and I have a really great relationship, then more than likely they're going to approve me for another one. So I have JCPenney, I have TJ Maxx. Walmart is actually going to Capital One. It says Q3, Q4. And so again, I'm going to leave this link. Amazon Prime Store card is the one here. And it literally has all the Sam's Club MasterCards. So you need to know these things, because I know that I can't get into the Chase family of cards because I have a Chase charge off from years ago from my daughter going to college and this and that. I know I'm in the family of Barclay credit cards, but in the family of Barclay credit cards, when I go to look at the cards, and I'll leave that link below too, the only two cards I wanted out of that entire family were Uber, Visa, and Carnival. I don't want an NFL card. I like watching the games. I don't want an NFL card. I don't want a Holland American line. Because see, the thing with these credit cards is you have to leverage the cards, okay? So leveraging for me means I'm gonna get cash back or rewards. And so I'm not gonna get a card I'm not gonna use, because I'm not gonna get cash back, I'm not gonna get rewards. So I'm looking, only ones I wanted was Carnival, because I wanted to take my kids on a cruise every single year, or I wanna go. And Uber. So those are the only ones that I can see that are going to benefit me. So I would strongly suggest that, again, as you're thinking about cards and you're building, you're watching Ask Sebi, you're watching Credit Shifu, you're listening to Brandon Weaver, you really want to map this out and have a plan. You really want to think about, this is your life. And if you can get this right, it's going to affect your children, your children's children, and it can affect your friends and your family members, and you all can have amazing credit. And really, you do live an amazing life because you have lower interest rates. You can leverage the cash and the rewards. The gentleman at the bank when I was there, Tyler, was like, yeah, I went to LA. He went to Miami and he went someplace else. And he was like, I went free because I used my rewards. He said basically all the sign-up bonuses. I want you to live an amazing life, like Brandon says, and I see the benefits really of credit. I've always kind of known, but now that I'm kind of in the game and I can play. Before I was kind of on the sidelines, like looking at everybody else have fun, and I couldn't have fun. But now that I can play, I understand how important it is to have great credit, but also to have multiple credit cards that you leverage for rewards and cash back. If you have any questions specifically, let me know. I'll leave the links down below, and I hope that I see you in the next video. And leave me a comment. Y'all been playing me a little bit, especially my old Sparks. Y'all be like, oh yeah, I'm comment. Y'all used to comment all the time on the drama ones, right? When I was going through, or my hair videos, or my food and all that. But come on, y'all playing me with these business videos. So leave me a comment below. Even if it's like, hey Spark, what's up? Because I appreciate it. YouTube is still my favorite platform, but y'all be playing me. Y'all don't show me as much love as you used to. I'll be like, damn. But I'm not going to stop talking about business. I'm not going to stop talking about credit. At the end of the day, I can talk all day about my hair and makeup and stuff, but it's not really going to help you. So y'all can go watch my girl over there, 22nd Century Natural Hair Woman. I still watch Natural 85. I don't watch makeup videos. I don't know who does that, but whoever does it, watch it, okay? Because when you come here, I'm going to inspire you with information that helps you thrive in life and thrive in business. And right now, most of the information I'm sharing is business stuff, okay? So stop playing with me. I'll see you in the next video, y'all. Peace.